Ever wondered who would win in a battle of strength, a gorilla or a human? Today we're going to talk about the awe-inspiring might of gorillas. These magnificent creatures are an embodiment of raw power, a testament of nature's wonderful design. Now, let's talk numbers. Picture this. A gorilla is estimated to be 6 times stronger than a human. Yes, you heard it right, 6 times. Imagine the strength required to swing effortlessly from tree to tree, to carry their hefty bodies around the dense forests, or even playfully wrestle with their peers. The force a gorilla can exert is simply mind-boggling. Their power is not just about muscle, but it's also about their resilience, their survival instinct, and their ability to protect their kin. They are indeed the true kings of the jungle. Incredible, isn't it? Let's delve deeper into the world of these mighty creatures. Ever imagine living in a lush green forest away from the hustle-bustle of city life? That's exactly where gorillas call home. Nestled deep within the verdant rainforests of Central Africa, gorillas have adapted to a life that's in harmony with nature. Their habitat, a portrait of towering trees, dense foliage, and vibrant biodiversity, offers a serene sanctuary unbeknownst to many of us. On an average day, gorillas lead a calm and peaceful existence. They bask in the morning sun, forage for food, and interact with their group. Their diet is primarily vegetarian, feasting on a smorgasbord of leaves, fruits, and occasionally a few insects for good measure. Despite their imposing size, they're gentle beings, their lifestyle reflecting their love for tranquility. Gorillas also possess a strong sense of community, often seen grooming each other, a gesture of social bonding. They're creatures of routine, and when night falls, they retire to the nests they've lovingly crafted. So, next time you enjoy a salad, remember you share a common taste with gorillas. Are gorillas solitary or social creatures? You might be surprised by the answer. Gorillas are, in fact, very social beings. Their society is structured around groups, often referred to as troops. A typical troop includes one dominant male, known as a silverback due to the distinctive patch of silver hair on his back, multiple females, and their offspring. The silverback is the heart of the troop, making all the decisions, mediating conflicts, and taking responsibility for the safety and well-being of the group. The females, on the other hand, are primarily responsible for raising the young. Communication within the troop is a fascinating mix of vocalizations, body postures, and facial expressions. Gorillas hoot, holler, and even beat their chests to communicate with each other. They also use subtler signals like a tilt of the head or a certain look to convey their intentions or emotions. In many ways, gorillas have a social structure that's not too different from ours. Did you know, despite their strength and size, gorillas are under threat and need our help? These magnificent creatures, known for their sheer might and family-oriented nature, are facing serious threats to their survival. One of the most pressing issues is habitat loss. With the rapid deforestation and conversion of wild spaces into agricultural lands, gorillas are losing their homes at an alarming rate. This not only reduces their living space but also forces them into closer contact with humans, often leading to tragic consequences. Poaching is another significant threat. Despite international laws prohibiting the hunting and trading of gorillas, they are still targeted by poachers for their meat and body parts, which are sold on the black market. Additionally, baby gorillas are often captured and sold as pets, a practice that is not only cruel but also contributes to the decline of the species. But there is hope. Numerous conservation efforts are underway to protect these amazing animals. Organizations are working tirelessly to preserve gorilla habitats, enforce anti-poaching laws, and rehabilitate orphaned gorillas. Yet it's not just about the organizations. Each of us has a role to play. By supporting conservation efforts, making sustainable choices, and raising awareness about the plight of gorillas, we can help ensure their survival. After all, the fate of gorillas is intrinsically tied to the health of our planet. These great apes play a crucial role in maintaining the biodiversity of their habitats. In protecting gorillas, we are also safeguarding our planet's biodiversity. So, what have we learned about these magnificent creatures today? Well, we started off by delving into the world of the mighty gorillas, unraveling their astounding strength and agility. Despite their intimidating physical prowess, we uncovered their gentle nature, a stark contrast to the formidable image often portrayed. We ventured into their habitats, deep within the tropical rainforests of Africa. We explored their lifestyle, which is surprisingly serene and relaxed. These magnificent creatures spend most of their time foraging for food and resting, living a life that's largely peaceful and uneventful. We also took a peek into the social structure of gorilla groups. It's fascinating how they live in close-knit families led by an alpha male. The gorilla society is a testament to their highly social and cooperative nature, where each member has a crucial role to play. Of course, we can't forget the pressing conservation issues. Despite their strength, gorillas are vulnerable. They face threats from habitat loss, poaching, and disease. It's a grim reality, but one that we must confront if we're to ensure their survival. Finally, we must remember that these gentle giants are an integral part of our planet's ecosystem. Their survival impacts not just their habitat, but the entire planet's biodiversity. It's our responsibility to protect them. After all, we share more than 98% of our DNA with them, so their fight for survival is, in a way, our fight too. Remember, these gentle giants are an integral part of our planet's ecosystem, and it's our responsibility to protect them. After all, we share more than 98% of our DNA with them.